Hi. Bye bye. Tell me. Say bye bye. Wave. Say bye bye. Tell me. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye bye. Wave.
As we leave these astonishing birds, we realize
Wave. Say
what it takes
bye
to live
bye.
and grow up here. Our snowy owls have done amazingly well to raise 4 owlets in an impossibly difficult year.
Bye bye. Right. Say it.
In this challenging place,
Yay. Waving. The baby's waving.
and their remarkable will
Do
to
it.
survive.
Say hi, Grandma. Wave. Do it. Say bye bye.
Tonight, PBS is your destination for exploration. Nobody Frosts the ultimate
You gonna stand up? You gonna stand up and run away?
This is simply incredible. This one find changes what we think about the past.
Then,
So that little
Yeah, bye bye. I seen that with your other hand. You coming? You coming over here?
coming up next
Come
on
on.
PBS.
You gonna stand up? Say, Grandma, watch, I can do it. Say, I can stand up. Do it. 1, 2, 3, stand up. Oh, goodness.
Raccoons build on their knowledge. Once they figure out one garbage can, they can generalize to another and make a difference.
it's possible that moving into the urban environments is for you and technically smarter raccoons.
Ooh. I can't get the camera back far enough.
Don't miss a single moment. Now you can watch nature online.